Hey y'all, happy Friday. We're super excited. We love Fridays around here. CJ actually gets off early today because I needed him to come home and watch the kids so I could film that recording for the training. Taylor, your mouth, go clean your mouth. Hurry up. Go get a wipe and clean your mouth and come back so we can start your work. I'm about to start work. Oops, sorry. I'm about to start Taylor's work with her. Just finished doing a little bit of TikToks. And yeah, that's all we're up to. Cam is over here eating. I just put Crew back in the cage because he was eating the kids' food off the floor. Didn't want him to eat something he wasn't supposed to, so I put him up real quick. I'll let him out once I've cleaned up their mess. And my hair came out nice. I did trim my ends just a little bit. I talked to my aunt, the one that usually does my hair. She said I still need to trim some more, but I'm not gonna do it. She said don't do any more, she'll do it. So I will let her do it. And I also yeah, I did a bit too much, y'all. Like, I've been watching her trim my ends for years. like since I was little. And so I felt like I knew what she does. I think I do know what she does, but she said I wild out. But anyway, I cut a few layers in my hair. Not a lot. Just like some long layers, like just a little bit. I just dusted my hair and it just so it just so happened that the hair had broken off, like, and it looked like a layer, so I just trimmed the ends that way. Does that make sense? Come on, Taylor, put his toy down. All right, I'm about to start her work. Hey y'all, oops. It's super dark, sorry. I sound like Taylor. But I just finished the conference thing. I have a few calls lined up for tonight. I was taking some pictures with Crew and doing some TikToks again. So that's what I've been up to. I'm hungry. Say hey, Crew. My babe is in here folding clothes for the family. Hi, boo. I mean, you're a great husband. Taylor's hiding from y'all. Hey. Cam, say hey, guys. My phone. CJ and Cam and Taylor and Crew all just took the best nap of their lives, which is good because they were super quiet when I was on my call, and I'm pretty sure they would have been able to hear it, so I'm glad they didn't. Put him down. Stop. He mine. Stop. Alright, ready? I got a snack for Camden and Taylor. I got a snack for Camden and Taylor. Are you my baby? Wait, are you my baby? Are you Camden and Taylor or just my neighbor? Baby. Are you my baby? Baby. Or are you my neighbor? Are you Camden and Taylor? Yes? Okay, let's see what's in the bag. Let's see what's in the bag. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Let's see what's in the bag. Do you even like these? I know you do, but I don't know about you. Do you even like these? Give me a kiss and do what you do. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss and do what you do. Give me a kiss. Look, Kim is like, you're wrong. Give me a kiss, buddy. Give me a kiss. All right. One for Camden, one for Taylor. Give each other a cheers and taste, oh dear. Say cheers.
Did you make that song up?
Yeah. Cheers. I made it up. You gonna bite it? Yeah, bite it.
Nah, he ain't feeling it.
Don't drop it, okay? Big bite. Ah, big bite. Y'all, this is Camden's first time tasting one. Remember last time I didn't have one for him? Yeah. So I got one this time. Yeah. All right, big bite.
You can't play with that.
Say ah. Mmm. Big bite, buddy. Look. Huh? Big bite.
It's chocolate, Cam.
You like that? You like it? Camden got a treat. Nani got a treat. They are so sweet. They are so sweet. So mommy gave them a treat. Alright. I'm all songed out. Update. So I showed y'all I blistered yesterday. Let me see. The lighting is not the best right here. There you go. So, oh, I gotta sneeze. I showed y'all yesterday that it blistered. The blister. Excuse me, bless me.
It's chocolate.
Thank you. The blister burst. Yes, well, it went down yesterday, and then today I scratched it while trying to put my hair in a ponytail, and now it has a scratch on it. So I have to make sure I clean it so it's good. That's it. How our call went, my training thing, even though no one asked. It went amazing. We literally finished, like we did it one take, like one shot, and got it done. So I'm super excited. Another thing I want to tell you guys, and honestly y'all, I'm just telling y'all, like, so we had the option to like work toward a trip for our conference. It's for our conference. It's like a conference premiere, but of course we can't get together like as a whole, so they're only letting like the top 20 people go from the United States. And so I met the requirements to go. I find out on Monday if we really get to go. And I know you guys are like wondering like, well, what about the pandemic and stuff like that? If we go, we'll be very safe as possible. And of course we'll be like smart about it. So if the time gets closer and it's like a no for us, then we just won't go. It's okay. But I just wanted to let y'all know that that was something that I was working toward, and I found out on Monday that if I get to go or not. And if I don't get invited, then that means it wasn't meant to be regardless, so it doesn't matter. So it is what it is, and I'm okay with that. But Taylor is tearing up her cake pop. Crew is trying. Crew cannot have chocolate.
You just had chocolate because your son.
For real?
Yeah.
Lord, which is probably why I don't. Let me put him up. Hold on, y'all. Come on, Crew. Because you cannot know. Where's the cake? What, Cam's?
Yeah.
Cam, eat yours. It's right there. Look. You need to eat it because, yeah. Crew cannot have chocolate, so I have to put him up. Because, you know, Camden. That's probably why I didn't get him one last time. But he doesn't eat. He never eats these anyway. Do you want it or no? No? Okay. So that was a waste of my money. Should I save it for Nani for later or no?
Yeah.
For tomorrow maybe? No?
Yeah.
Babe?
If you want to go.
Okay, I'll just save it for Taylor since we know she loves them.